For our Pasig River Report, the Rotary Clubs of Manila and Quezon City, Pearl of the Orient, are helping Bayani Juan sa Calauan, the official resettlement site of Kapit Bisig para sa Ilog Pasig, by funding shallow wells for the community.
Well, in every community you need water. So we figured in such a huge community like you have here, without water, I mean, people will not stay. So here at least they have dignity, you know, they're buying their homes, they're homeowners, not squatters. So it adds something, you know, why the water? Like I said, this is the gift of life.
Water is indeed a gift of life, and with the Rotary Club helping out, people's hope will continue to flow.
We also participated in the Run for Pasig. Soon after that, we also donated 150,000 pesos to fund the purchase of 5 shallow water wells.
With your help, the river will flow with life again. Be updated with our progress on the Pasig River cleanup on the Pasig River Reports.
Cut to the chase. Managing a company is one of the toughest jobs. Dealing with volatility, the competition, the people. So why not learn from Asia's best? We scour the region to bring you insights from CEOs on how they navigate through tough credit conditions and a global downturn. All you need to know about managing Asia. Wouldn't you want to watch a show like that?
Managing Asia with Christine Tan, Saturday, 8:30 a.m. on ANC.
Yung ibang estudyante, wala na rin disiplina sa pag-aaral. Kumbaga, hindi na nila siniseryoso yung pag-aaral. Kahit kumbaga seryoso yung mga professors nila, naturuan sila ng tama, sila naman napupunta na yung focus nila sa lakwatya kasi nakita nyo naman ngayon, ang dami ng mall.
Mahirap kasi yung exam yung batch ko. Batch ko yun November. Hindi masyadong naka-base on nursing yung mga questions.
Kailangan kasi dapat sa estudyante kasi kagaya namin dapat mag-aral talaga mabuti para ma-achieve talaga. Hindi lang sa CI pero dapat din sa amin din mismo manggaling, magsumikap din.
A lot of insights here from our guests, a student who passed the recent nursing licensure exam, a review center owner and a nurse, a professor in the UST, the head of CHED here, and the PRC Commissioner, Ruth Padilla. This is Talk Back. We're still talking about the most recent board licensure exam and the record low passing rate and what we can do about it. Okay, so where do we begin looking at the problems that are solvable? Problem, no? Meron tayong sanhi na nakikita and meron tayong solusyon. Ang sinasabi mo, you are in the review sector. How do you think you can get rid of the fly-by-night?
We're happy that CHED is doing their part too in the production line ng graduates.
Okay.
Ngayon yung mga repeaters, maski pa i-offer ng school na bumalik sila, na libreng review, they will not be back. You know why? Mahihiya sila. So ang sa atin, ang repeaters ba talagang nagre-review? Sagot, dapat. Pero pag sila nag-decide mag-review, ang tanong, saan sila pupunta? Nagkalat ngayon ng review centers at ang daming fly-by-night. Ngayon, I think it's the market that should demand the quality of what review centers can offer. Yung concern ni Professor kanina na nagre-review bagong graduate, bagong pasa sa board reviewer, how can you teach something you don't have? No? Hindi ka nagkaroon ng experience. Pero sa akin, napakalaki ng papel ng review center ngayon. Nung una, wala naman talaga review center. Bakit? Wala naman demand nun. Mataas ang passing nun. Sino naman ang magtatayo ng review center? Pero ngayong nandyan na yung sitwasyon na yan. 50,000 ang hindi nababalik sa kanilang eskwelahan. Nandyan na yan. May sunog na. Paano papatay ng sunog? We would like to offer the solution as review centers. Pero we should be regulated.
Okay.
As
Government regulated or self-regulation?
Initially, we are self-regulated. Kaya lang kukunti kami, Miss Tina. Ngayon, kung government ang magre-regulate sa amin, which started before, gusto na namin yung nangyayari. Ang ayaw lang naman namin nun, nung mawawala kami sa mapa. Gusto namin magpa-regulate, pero wag nyo naman kami burahin sa mapa. Because we also want to do our share. We want to be part of the solution.
Hindi ba mas lalaki ang katagalan ng pag-shutdown ng mga fly-by-night if government bureaucracy is gonna come in?
At least it's sure. Kasi sa ngayon, kami man na mag-self-regulate, wala naman kami police power to close.
Okay. So kung nagpo-flourish yung business ni Carl as review center, I mean, you consider that the people, the students in UST, not properly trained to be able to take an exam and to take on that job?
There's no problem in UST. Usually our passing rate every year is 98 to 99%. So it's not
Center of excellence.
but what we're saying also, taking from Carl, the review center have to take not only in terms of the input that they complement the school, but even the entire psychology of the review. Because as we have said earlier, a lot of these people are not driven. They are not focused because they don't, in the first place, like the review. Secondly, I think it's also important is faculty development. Sad to say, even my review center, for example, also helps in the faculty development. We also provide our best faculty members to the school to teach also their teachers.
Commissioner Padilla here does not want review centers.
As much as possible.
As much as possible.
I'm
Why?
espousing for that.
And who do you think should carry the burden of making sure that when they finish their 4-year course, they pass the licensure on the first take?
Because it is presumed that in the 4 years, doon ka focus, doon mo talaga dapat malaman yung dapat mong malaman.
So hindi maaari sa mga panahon ngayon, maaaring i-pursue lang yung 4-year degree course at hindi na kailangan mag-review at papasa sila?
Hindi po. Ang review ko kasi, it can be taken in-house. What do I mean?
In-house?
Within the school. The professors, the instructors who were with you for the past 4 years in school, sila din ho ang pwedeng mag-review sa inyo.
Okay, babayaran mo yung professor mo ng sideline?
Hindi ho. I mean, probably, but during our time, yung last semester ho of the 5th year, the professors, yung subject ho nila, sila rin ho yung nagre-review. So after school hours, they gather all the students. At tapos kung ano yung subject mo, yun ho ang nire-review nila.
I just go quickly to Ched lang. Okay, kung ngayon, hindi na kayo kailangan magsara kasi nagsasara na sila on their own. Magsasara ka pa rin. So, meron ka pa rin
just too many institutions there.
Hindi nga, when you say too many, what is your ratio? How many ideal nursing schools must you have in relation to the entrance, in relation to the dropout rate, in relation to so many other factors?
I would say,
compute yan?
Siguro, kalahati ang one yan eh.
Kalahati, okay na.
Araw, with the demand in the last so many years. And now it's dwindling and we can see now the effect. So many repeaters, failures and all that. And when we go after the institutions, they're at risk of being phased out because they cannot sustain the facilities, the instructors and all that.
Pero kumita na sila.
Pero Tina,
quickly lang. Yes, one.
No, ang sa akin nung ako ay I'm also a registered nurse by profession. Nung ako ho ay presidente ng Philippine Nurses Association, in the year 2004, meron hong inilabas ang CHED na memo. Ang nakalagay ho doon, moratorium on the opening of schools. New schools of colleges and colleges of nursing. 2004 po iyon. Ang napansin po namin sa nursing community, particularly the nursing leaders, nung lumabas ho yung moratorium niya noon, lalo naman ho yatang dumami. Because during that time in 2004, Tina, mga 200 something lang eh. Why is it that it's now 460?
Okay, why?
So ang tanong namin is, siguro Tina, hindi magkakaroon ng ganyang problema sa mga bagong eskwelahan na hindi nagko-comply doon sa standards of nursing sa nursing curriculum kung hindi dumami ng dumami. Kung sinabi sanang exactly po.
They were able to comply with the requirements. See, because of the pressure, they were able to comply with the requirements and they took a lot of investment out of these nursing school.
Okay. Let's go. We just barely have a few minutes here. It's the attitude na sinasabi natin ngayon. These students, kaya ganito rin ang performance sa kanilang licensure exam. Hindi naman